Whether you have ordered a new service from TPG or you are an existing customer changing to NBN, you can use the My TPG app to track your installation. Simply log into My TPG with your username or customer ID, followed by your password. These details will be in your NBN order confirmation emails from TPG. Tap Track Your Installation. Here you will see the latest updates regarding your TPG NBN installation. We will always book you the earliest available installation appointment. If you see that you have an installation appointment booked and you want to reschedule this, tap Reschedule Appointment. Next, type in your billing postcode and tap Submit. Here you will see a list of available appointment times. Tap on your preferred appointment time and then tap Reschedule Appointment. A confirmation will be displayed immediately on screen. We will also send you an email and SMS to confirm. Download My TPG from the App Store for iOS or Play Store for Android. For more helpful guides and tips, visit community.tpg.com.au.